As we work to continue to improve reading in middle school and high school, we're sharing with you some activities that you can do to improve vocabulary in a meaningful way. So kids learn to spell through sound and letter correspondence. Memorizing does not help kids learn how to spell, pronounce the word, or remember its meaning. We're going to take some Science 14 vocabulary words. We're going to use the word cellular today, and we're going to orthographically map it. Cellular. We are going to count out the sounds that we hear in cellular with our students. So, s, u, you hear the u, you just hear your r. So I believe the students will say they hear 6 sounds. 6. Now we're going to take these letters and we're going to place them in the sound boxes that we have so they can see the letter correspondence to the sound. The first one is s, which is an S sound, but it's spelt with a C. We can then take advantage, if you want to, of teaching the soft C rule, which is because it's followed by an E here, that we would use a C. O, we hear in the third one. So we hear our E, we hear an L, but we can also take advantage of our double consonant rule here because we have a single consonant, single vowel. U, O, and then we hear which may just be an R sound, but that's an R-controlled vowel. So you hear the AR together, R, like a pirate sound. You also have an IR, ER, UR. That will do the same thing. These three will make their own sound. Their sound is all similar, but different than the R.